And reached down and got her hair, and I says, pow, pow, pow. Right there was our eye. And I said, are you ready to leave now? And she said, but you don't understand. Pow, pow, pow. And I just kept doing that. I'd hit her 3 times and I'd say, you ready to leave yet? She just kept trying to talk. So I just kept beating on her. I kind of felt sorry for her when it got to sticking out to about here. I thought I probably shouldn't hit her there again, but pow, pow, pow. And she still wasn't ready to leave. I said, well, I'll just choke you then. She said, I'll leave. She's turning purple. She said she'd leave. I let her up.
Every time, it's better.
I let her up, and she went to get back in her car and leave. I thought I was going through the door, and she shot at me. Hit the door frame right beside my head like that. And shot the door frame. I guess I should have kept choking, huh? She didn't hit me, so I'm still here to tell about it. She couldn't, her face was so swollen up, she couldn't drive for like 2 weeks. And she took pictures of herself. She did, she had somebody take pictures of her anyway, and she showed them all over hiding. Look what she did to my face. They told her, you have to be from somewhere else. She's from Texas. You have to be from somewhere else. Everybody else around here knows better than fool with her. She showed it.
I was going to say, did the rest of you interview